Let's just say we're gonna imagine walking on the beach and we look out into the waters and the next thing you see is floating plastic bottles and plastic bags everywhere, all over the place. Well, as we all know that this does raise a red flag for our concern. There are over 8 million tons of plastic items that are found in the water in the United States. Today, we are going to talk about persuading people with single-use plastics. The simple things that this will help change is a big impact for the environment and future generations. Meaning that if we can convince basically the world about the use of the plastics and how, it affects our country, basically, maybe, we can get some people to stop using it. So, what are the single-use plastics? They're used once and they're also thrown away. So, what do I mean when I say that? Things such as plastic bags, straws from restaurants or anything of that nature, bottles, plastic bottles, knives, and the little packagings. Plastics last on this earth here for hundreds of years. It's very hard for these things to be decomposed, and it is very harmful to the wildlife as well. With that being said, we do not want these things floating around in the water or the toxins being released into the air. It's polluting and harmful to us humans as well. So, also, another thing I would like to mention, there are more plastics items that will be floating around in the rivers and the ocean, preferably than things that we need naturally for our bodies, such as fish or just the nature of the fish living in the water. Their environment is being in danger because of the toxins and the pollution from the plastic wares. Why should we care? For one, recycling, it helps. So that's one. But not enough many plastics, not recyclable, which means we don't have enough to recycle. We're not recycling enough, which is not good.